Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to say in Arabic I grew up. How to say I grew up in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this because this is really important for me and it helps me a lot. Thank you. And as we usually do, we take an example first. Okay, I grew up in this place. I grew up in this place. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say لقد نشأت في هذا المكان. لقد نشأت في هذا المكان. I grew up in this place. لقد نشأت في هذا المكان. So لقد نشأت في I grew up in. هذا المكان this place. لقد نشأت في هذا المكان. I grew up in this place. So I grew up means لقد نشأت and it can be followed by في in or it can be followed by مع with. لقد نشأت مع it means with a person. Okay, on في in a place. So لقد نشأت في or مع and after them they are following by a noun. اسم. So I grew up with my parents. I grew up with my parents. So first we put لقد نشأت مع with. لقد نشأت مع my parents والدي. لقد نشأت مع والدي. Okay, I grew up with my parents. لقد نشأت مع والدي. Okay, the next sentence. I grew up in an orphanage. I grew up in an orphanage. Okay, so first we put لقد نشأت في. لقد نشأت في دار أيتام. لقد نشأت في دار أيتام. I grew up in an orphanage. لقد نشأت في دار أيتام. So here لقد نشأت في and it's placed دار أيتام orphanage. Okay. Or I grew up with my aunt. I grew up with my aunt. So first we put لقد نشأت مع. لقد نشأت مع خالتي. لقد نشأت مع خالتي. I grew up with my aunt. Okay, I grew up with my aunt. خالتي. Okay, so I grew up لقد نشأت في or مع it depends. It depends as a sentence. في means in, مع means with. Okay, and both of them they are following by a noun. As that's the end of our lesson today. Please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this. If you have any question, write in the comment and I will reply you inshallah. Thank you and I see you in other videos. Assalamu alaikum.